Every day, artificial intelligence gets smarter. It writes code, creates art, drives cars, and even passes exams. But here's the question everyone's asking. Will AI replace humans? Or will humans always stay one step ahead? AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's here. From ChatGPT writing essays to robots performing surgery, machines are learning at lightning speed. They don't sleep, they don't get tired, and they process more data in seconds than a human could in a lifetime. But humans have something machines don't: emotion, creativity, morality. A robot can analyze patterns, but it can't truly imagine something new. Our strength is not in speed, it's in soul. AI beats humans in speed, accuracy, and consistency. Humans win in creativity, ethics, and emotional intelligence. But the real power isn't in competition, it's in collaboration. The future isn't humans or AI, it's both. Imagine doctors with AI-powered implants and teachers guided by intelligent systems. That's not science fiction. That's the birth of the cyborg generation. So, who wins, AI or humans? The truth is, we win together. If you believe in a future where technology and humanity unite, hit subscribe and join the cyborg community. The future is already here. Let's shape it together.